Good morning. Today is October the 8th. The time is 10:45 a.m. We are at the address. We're at the address of 209 Hiram Avenue. That's Hiram Avenue in Thousand Oaks, California 91320. Performing camera inspection of the main sewer lateral from the city connection to the front of the home. Currently accessed through a 4-inch cleanout at the front of the house. We'll be working our way back. We're about 65 feet out, and we are in clay pipe in the city lateral. What you see there is my string. I had to use some ingenuity to get this to go around an issue in the Orangeburg pipe, and I'll address that as soon as we see it, but that's all you see is a string. And it's attached to my camera. So clay pipe from 65 feet to about so 65 feet to about you should see the transition right about here. This is where we start to see the roots. There's a very small root intrusion right there. Alright, here's a pretty big root intrusion. We are in the clay pipe still, and I believe this is where we're going to transition to Orangeburg right here. So, looks like we will replace up to about this point here. I'm going to pause the video real quick so I can record. I'm sorry, so I can locate where this is at. Okay, we're going to go ahead and resume with the video inspection. So this was located right underneath the sidewalk right away. My recommendation would be to go just past the sidewalk into the parkway area and dig up that section there, because the remainder of this pipe actually looks in pretty darn good condition. It's underneath the sidewalk and in the private section of the line that is the problem. So we're going to go ahead and proceed. We're going to go about 30, I'm going to call it about 38 feet total that needs to be replaced. So right underneath the sidewalk, this is the problem right here with this big root intrusion, and right here it transitions to what's called Orangeburg pipe. Get my string back. Alright, so pulling this back, take a look at the condition of the Orangeburg. And again, heavy root intrusion, heavy blistering. Here's a fracture where this on the left corner of the screen here, the pipe has failed. It has lifted, and now in the peak of that ridge there is a fracture in the pipe with roots coming into the pipe. Here's some more issues here where, again, the pipe has failed. You got what looks like two little channels or a split or an island. Water is actually going around this center part of the pipe, which is actually should be the lowest point of the pipe, of a round pipe, and has been one smashed or pushed up. So yeah, as we continue on, some more of this going on, which is very normal with Orangeburg pipe. And here's the part that is another huge root intrusion. just common conditions of most Orangeburg pipes. Here's a little bit of a strange one where we have more of a channel, and then we got the sides, left and right side of the pipe, that have been pushed up and have failed. And again, the center has been pushed up there. Okay. Here, coming up to some more root intrusions. This right here is a very bad spot where originally my camera wanted to stick to the left side of the pipe, and just like that right there. And that is a broken pipe right there, as my camera kind of slides up and over it. And this is where I was having the issue with not being able to get past the pipe, and therefore what the string is for. So with some ingenuity here, I was able to move the camera over and as I push through, get past that problem. So as we keep coming back, we're going to see the rest of the pipe. You can see this pipe has gone oval. Bottom side of the pipe is flat. Alright, we're just about to, here we are in the riser. At the clean out, I'm going to just go up line just a foot or two just to see if there's any leftover Orangeburg. So it looks like this is where we transition to cast iron pipe. So we will just go ahead and dig up in this flower bed and replace from this point to the property line. I'm sorry, to the parkway, if approved. That will end this camera inspection.